Which came first, the brownie or the blondie? I don't think we'll ever be able to settle that. But how about a batch of these salted caramel brown butter blondies? Stick around, I'll show you how they're made. It doesn't matter really which one came first, as long as you have either of them to enjoy. Blondies are just as versatile as their cousins, as you can add all kind of goodies to them to kick them up a notch or three. These blondies are made with a batch of brown butter. If you want to use brown butter, there's a recipe link up here in this video to show you how they're made. If you want to just use regular butter for these blondies, that's fine, but trust me, the brown butter will make all the difference in the taste. I also have a bit of a cheat when it comes for the caramel sauce. We'll be using store-bought caramels. It'll be a lot easier this way. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Click on the little bell to get a notification when I post a new video. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Spray a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with some baking spray and then line it with parchment paper. You'll want to have a little bit of excess paper hanging over the sides, as this will make it a little bit easier to lift out the blondies after they're baked. Then set this aside. In a medium saucepan, combine the brown butter or the regular butter with about half a cup of the caramels. Heat on a medium-low heat until the caramels are just about to melt. They won't fully combine. This should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Remove from the heat and set aside for about 3 minutes. Pour the mixture into a large mixing bowl and allow it to cool for a further 5 minutes. Whisk in the brown sugar, you'll notice that it starts to clump up. That's normal. Add in the eggs, one at a time, whisking very well after each addition. It will start to come together with the eggs. Add in the vanilla and whisk to combine. Add in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk to combine. Pour about half of the batter into the prepared baking pan and bake this for about 10 minutes. While the blondies are baking, we'll make the caramel sauce for the topping. Combine the remaining caramels in a microwave-safe container. Add in the cream and microwave for about 30 seconds. Stir and repeat until this is smooth and pourable. Depending on your microwave, this could take about 4 to 5 times to get the right consistency. Remove from the oven, but keep the oven on. Spoon out the rest of the batter over the blondies. Gently spread the batter as best you can. If it pulls away at the baked blondie, don't worry. You'll get covered up with the melted caramel sauce. Pour out as much caramel sauce as you like. And then run the tip of a knife over the caramel sauce. Sprinkle a bit of salt flakes over the topping. Return the blondies to the oven and bake for a further 20 to 22 minutes, checking at 20 minutes for doneness. I like a chewy blondie, so I pulled my tray out about 20 minutes. Cool the tray for about 15 minutes before pulling out the blondies to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice the bars the size you like. These are perfect for anytime treats or a dessert topped with ice cream. If you didn't use all of the caramel sauce, you can drizzle a little bit of that caramel sauce over the ice cream. If you make these, I'd really like to know how they turned out. Please leave me a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. These are really good. Oh, that caramel sauce comes through great. Really chewy. Thanks for watching. It's so good.